Artificial intelligence, AI, has been transforming the way we work, and recruiting is no exception. With AI, recruiting has become more efficient, cost-effective, and less time-consuming. In this article, we will explore the impact of AI on recruiting and the latest trends and insights in the industry. Impact of AI on recruiting. The introduction of AI in recruiting has changed the way recruiters approach the hiring process. AI has enabled recruiters to automate the repetitive and mundane tasks involved in recruiting, such as resume screening and candidate matching, leaving them more time to focus on other important aspects of the hiring process. One of the most significant impacts of AI on recruiting is the reduction of bias. AI algorithms are designed to make unbiased decisions based on data, which has reduced the risk of human biases in the recruiting process. This has led to more diversity and inclusivity in the workplace, which has a positive impact on the culture and performance of the organization. AI has also made recruiting more efficient and cost-effective. With the ability to analyze a large volume of data quickly and accurately, AI has made it easier for recruiters to identify the best candidates for the job. This has reduced the time and cost involved in the hiring process, enabling organizations to fill vacancies faster and more effectively. Trends and insights in AI recruiting. As AI continues to evolve, new trends and insights are emerging in the recruiting industry. Here are some of the latest trends and insights. 1. Chatbots. The use of chatbots in recruiting has become increasingly popular. 1. Chatbots can automate the initial screening process by engaging with candidates in a conversational manner, answering their questions, and collecting information about their skills and experience. 2. Predictive analytics. Predictive analytics is becoming more popular in recruiting. 2. By analyzing data from various sources, including social media and online profiles, predictive analytics can predict which candidates are likely to be successful in the job. 3. Video interviewing. Video interviewing has become a popular tool in the recruiting process. 3. It allows recruiters to assess candidates' communication skills, body language, and overall presentation, helping them to identify the most suitable candidates for the job. 4. Candidate relationship management. Candidate relationship management, CRM, tools are becoming more popular in recruiting. 4. They help recruiters to manage their relationships with candidates, track their interactions, and keep them engaged throughout the hiring process. Conclusion. AI has transformed the recruiting industry, making it more efficient, cost-effective, and less time-consuming. With the ability to analyze large volumes of data quickly and accurately, AI has enabled recruiters to identify the best candidates for the job, reducing the time and cost involved in the hiring process. With the latest trends and insights in AI recruiting, recruiters can take advantage of the latest technology to make the hiring process even more effective.